So my first book is this called This Rough Magic by Mary Stewart. And this is a book is written in the first person point of view. The main character um the main character Lucy Waring is a young actress, and she went to an island in Greece called the Corfu Island. Her older sister lives there, and her older sister married a wealthy person who did not really appear in the story. His name is Leonardo Forley, and he owns like 3 villas. And one of his villas is rented to a very famous actor. His name is Julian Gale, who just disappeared from his work. And he has a son who's musician who writes songs for the Shakespeare scene. And there's several other characters, like some of them are like the domestic, and one of the bad person in the story is the bad person's name is Yanni Zoglis, who pushed someone out of the boat, and then Lu- uh, Lucy suddenly realized that Spyro, the person Yanni had just pushed out, is still alive, but with a broken leg. And then Lucy met the person who called Maxwell, and then he realized all the terrible things that happened on the island. And then once he has been on the boat, Fergus it just pushed her down, pushed her out of the boat, and then some Anthony and Spyro, they just carry her back to the villa, and then uh and then at the end of the story, Lucy marry the professor's son, who's his son is Maxwell, and the story ends.